Our fixed block system includes modular and compact distributors and device terminal blocks available in different conductor connection cross-sections from 1.5 to 2, 4, and even 10 square millimeters. It also features a wide range of mounting types. This range of mounting types includes direct mounting on DIN rails, affixing straight onto mounting plates, screw mounting, and even mounting via securing pin adapters. We also have different connection directions, including both horizontal and vertical connections. And we also have function distribution blocks available that feature knife disconnection and with safety elements for fuse disconnecting and then reconnecting specific signal circuits when needed.